Hey, let's go now. We got our feet wet, we're going.
20 seconds.
Hey! Hey! Give me the flag! He hit me out of bounds! Let's go, baby. Let's pick this up. Got to. We got to.
Hey, you're going to come back, LG.
We knew it was going to be a battle. Hey, get him ready, Tom. Get him going.
Hey, no fear. No fear. Cut it loose.
We got to get a touchdown here, boys. Let's go. Got to pick this up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Gonna be a hell of a story.
Hell yeah.
Hey, get us a stop, baby. Get us a stop, baby.
Let's go now. Let's start showing some fight. Come on now, let's go. We gotta play harder. We gotta play tougher, harder, tougher, everything. Everything we got.
Hey, let's go, boys. Gonna be a hell of a story.
It's gonna make them pay, fellas. It's gonna make them pay.
Only a two-score game, right? Gotta believe, boys.
Directs down to James White. Runs up the middle. He's in for 2.
Yeah! Yeah! Let's go. Let's go.
Come on, boys, let's go now. Got locked in now, laser focus.
Gotta believe, bro.
Let's go.
Gotta believe. Gotta believe, boys.
Snap to Brady. Stands in. Throws down the middle for Edelman. Ball's tipped. Diving for it.
I caught it. I caught it.
Oh, that's a catch. Oh, my goodness, what a play with the ball literally inches above the turf.
I caught it. Crazy, I swear to God.
No way, look at that.
What?
On the ground.
No. No. That's crazy. My bad. Yeah!
Way to go.
Nice job, Dola! Let's go score and win this thing, baby. For your mom. For your mom, bro. Is it over?
Yeah.
They gotta review it.
They reviewed it.
Did they?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah!
Are you kidding me?
What'd I say at halftime? It's gonna be a hell of a story. I love you, bro.
Unbelievable.
5. You did 5, bro.
Thanks, man.